Welcome to everyone. History, first lesson, outbreak of World War I and its aftermath, which means after the World War I. In today's class, we are going to discuss course of the World War I. So this course of the World War I divided two warring camps. One is Central Power, another one is Allies country. The Central Powers are Germany, Austria-Hungary, Turkey and Bulgaria. The Allies countries are Russia, France, Britain, Italy, United States, Belgium, Serbia, Romania and Greece. So these 9 states oppose the Central Powers. Trench warfare. So what is trench warfare? Trenches are ditches dug by soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from enemy fire. The main lines of trenches were connected to each other and the rear by the series of linking trenches through which food, ammunition, fresh troops, mail, etc. Okay, so these trenches or ditches connected the rear and through this they are getting the food, ammunition, fresh troops, mail, etc. Next, Battle of Verdun. Between February and July 1916, the German attacked Verdun. It is one of the famous fortresses of the French. In the 5-month Battle of the Verdun, 2 million people were killed. So the British attacked, okay, offensive means attacked. So the British attacked against German. It is near the river Somme. So this battle, the river Somme, this battle, Britain lost 20,000 men in the first day, but finally won the Allies country. Next, war in Eastern and Russian front. So war in east side and border of the Russia. In the Eastern front, the Russian troops repeatedly defeated by the Austrians, but the Russians were defeated by the German. Okay, so in the east side, Russia attacked the Austrian. At the same time, German attacked the Russia. In 1917, the Tsar regime, okay, is the ruler in Russia, overthrown the October Revolution. So Russia wanted the peace. So they signed the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk 3rd March 1918 with Germany because Russia need the treaty. So they signed Treaty of Brest-Litovsk 3rd March 1918 with Germany. Next, Tsar's abortive attempt for peace. So what is abortive? Which means failure. Abortive means failure. Tsar means Tsar Nicholas II is the ruler of Russia. He suggested to the power meet together. Okay, Central Power and Allies country meet together and bring the universal peace. So they conducted the conference 2 times in the place of the Holland in 1899 and 1907, but it was failure. Next, war in Western or French border. So Germany steamrolled. Steamrolled means attacked and smashed the resistance of the people of Belgium. On the side of the Allies, the fighting fell on the French army. Okay, the Allies side, the fighting who got the more responsible means French side. Okay, next one, Battle of Tannenberg and Marne. So Germany defeated the decisively at the Battle of Marne. Early September 1914, the French succeeded pushing back the German. The Battle of Marne, French succeeded pushing back the German. So Paris was saved. So this Battle of Marne, it is memorable for the trench warfare. As we discussed, what is trench warfare? trenches or ditches dug by troops or soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from the enemy fire. Okay. So this Battle of Marne is memorable for the trench warfare. Next one, minor theatres of war. So what is minor theatre? Which means small war. Okay, some of the places they conducted the war. It is called as minor theatres of war. In the Middle East side, the Turkey tried to attack the Suez Canal, but it was repulsed. So what is Suez Canal? So it is one of the man-made canal. Okay, in the Middle East, it was located in Turkey. So it is one of the man-made canal. It is shortened the route between Asia and Europe. Without this Suez Canal, the Europe countries want to come along the Africa. Okay, but after invaded the Suez Canal, it was shortened route between Europe and Asia. Okay, so here the Turkey attacked the Suez Canal. Next, in the Far East side, so China also joined the alliance. Okay, so China, the country, also joined the alliance because Japan threatened the China. Japan threatened the China, so that China joined with allies countries. In the Balkans, so in the Balkan War, Austro-German army with help of Bulgaria, they attacked Serbia. So Serbia came under the German rule. Okay, in the Balkan area, Austro-German, the countries with help of the Bulgaria, they attacked Serbia. So Serbia came under the German rule. Next, fate of colonies of Germany in Africa. So here, German captured some place in Africa. Okay, some places in Africa, but Allies country attacked colonies of Germany in Africa. So what is colonies? For example, Britain ruled in India. So it is called as colonies. India is a colonies for the Britain. So like Germany also captured some place in Africa. It is colonies of Germany in Africa. And Allies country attacked the colonies of Germany in Africa, but it was located far east from the Germany. So Germany cannot save that places. So Allies won the battle. Okay, finally Allies country won the battle, the colonies of Germany in Africa. Next one, Italy falls to Austrian onslaught. Onslaught means attacked. So Italy falls to Austrian onslaught because Italy joined the Allies war in May 1916 and Italy successfully attacked the Austrians. But German helped to the Austrians, so Italy was collapsed. Okay, so because German supported the Austrian, so Italy was collapsed. Next one, Central Power victorious. So this Central Power successfully won Belgium, part of France, Northeast Poland, Serbia and Romania. Okay, and the Germany and Austria, women and children suffered because the Allies country blocked the sea route. Okay, because it was controlled, the sea route was controlled by the Allies country. So the Allies country blocked the sea route so that the Austria, the German, the women are suffered lot, hunger and many people are died. So Germany attacked England by air because the sea route was blocked. So they attacked by air. So bombs were thrown on London, the place of the factories, civilian population. And the German introduced poison, the later Britain also introduced poison. So both also used, attacked with help of the poison. So finally the naval battle and America entry into the war. Because in 1916 the naval battle, it is called as Battle of Jutland. Battle means fight, which place? Jutland. Okay, 1916 the naval means sea route. So the naval battle taken place in the North Sea. So this battle, Germans started the submarine warfare. Okay, submarine warfare, and with help of Emden ship they attacked Madras. And the German attacked January 1917 the neutral ship. Okay, the neutral country ship also attacked by German. So Lusitania, it is one of the American ship. It is attacked by German. So many American people was died. So that USA also participated in this war. The USA President Wilson declared the war against Germany in April 1917. America entry with war. So before the entry, it was concluded the victory of America's side, because America is a powerful country. When America started to participated in this war, it is finalized who got the victory, who is going to get the victory. America. So okay, America is going to get the victory when America joined this war against the German, because German attacked the neutral country. One of the country is America, the ship of Lusitania. So many American people are died. So America also participated in this war. Okay. So next recap. So what we discussed in this class. Tsar Nicholas II is the ruler of the Russia. He suggested the power to meet and together and bring the universal peace. What is power means? Central power and allies country meet together and to bring the universal peace. So that the conference held at Holland in 1899 and 1907, it was failure. And next one, the 5-month battle of Verdun, 2 million people are died. So British attacked against German near the river Somme. Okay. So this battle of Somme, the Britain lost 20,000 men on the first day, but finally who got the victorious? Allies country. The Britain got the victories. Next, read and learn the following. So this is your home test. Your questions are: write a short note on monsoon wind. Next question is: name the 4 distinct seasons of India. Next question: what is based of monsoon? So these questions are given in geography second lesson. This is your home test. This is short answer. So only given 3 questions. Write a short note on monsoon wind. Name the 4 distinct seasons of India. What is based of monsoon? Read well. Don't copy from your textbook. Write your classwork note and correct yourself. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.